a dummy content for a system administrator that wants to manipulate users. Maybe start up with just listing those users, right? And we already have a server that can respond with a list of users, don't we? I think we have API/users, don't we? Yeah, we have an array that comes back with a. So let's see how we can access it from here from our Angular side. All right, so let's do that. So we could do in our admin users component, we could declare a list of an array of users. Right? Perhaps at the beginning it's an empty array, and then from the ng init, we could use the user service, to go fetch all these users and then update this array. How's that? Let's try and do that. We're going to ask for the user service, private user service of type user service. There it is. And an ng init, we can say this dot user service dot find all users, and then we're going to say here are all the users presumably, and say that this users is equal to users. Once we have the users, we can just iterate over them in the HTML. In the HTML, we can say h1 user admin, and in here we can say ul. We can say class equal list group, and then iterate over line item here and display all the users. Right? We're going to say star ng4. We're gonna create a local variable called user of type users. Is one of many users, and we're going to render the user dot username. Okay. All right. Let's try and see if this blows up. Let's see. It says users. It says 404. Oh, I think I messed. That's not the URL actually. The URL I believe might have been. I think it's API users, isn't it? API/users. Let's try it again. There it is. Those are Alice, Poe, and Bob that are coming from the server, right? Are coming from the server, this could be rendered just a slightly prettier by using class list group item, and this would render just a little prettier. Yes. All right. So let's go a little further and say, how about if I want to delete one of these? Right. So let's do that next.